Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I want to brief regarding ISSB Inter-Services of Selection Board. As Sir Harun has said that first of all you will have to listen them quickly with your mind. The second thing is that you will have to understand the thing, whatever it is, whatever you have to do and whatever are your duties. Third thing is that you will have to perform it accordingly, naturally, according to your own nature, like you have behaved in your life, like your actual personality. First of all, moving toward the psychologist, the day one is regarding the psych forms and day one is regarding the dictive forms. First of all, your personality, the basic contradiction between your personality and biodata form. It is the main cause of not recommendation of thousands and hundreds of the candidates. So you will not have to contradict between your actual personality and biodata form you are actually writing for your merits, demerits while using your personality test of ISSB, whether it is WAD test, whether it is sentence completion, and whether it is OPI. You will have to create your search your snap in that categories of test that you have written in your biodata form. It was regarding the first day. The second day is regarding the psych day. During the psych day, psychologist tests WAD test. Regarding WAD test, sir have advised us that the sentences should be positive. It should be regarding your hobbies. It may be regarding your love about PAF, Army or Navy, about which you are applying for. Third most important thing is that your sentences, you do not have to skip the sentences in the middle because it gives a very pathetic expression to the selectors. So you can skip it at the ends. It is possible if you do not have the time. Same cases with likewise is the with the sentence completion. Next comes the OPI. In OPI you will also have to form the snap of your biodata form regarding your hobbies, regarding your personality traits. You will have to show them accordingly. Fourth most important thing is regarding the picture story. In a picture story, first of all you will have to see the image for at least 50 seconds. You will have enough time to write it. You will have to thought it, whether it is about boy or girl sitting together. You will not give them some sort of university relation or some sort of relation of husband and wife. It basically shows the lust of opposite gender. You will just have to show them accordingly as brother, mother, sister. And stories, first most important thing regarding stories that you can make it in your own life. You can make it in the realistic situation of the world, regarding the realistic situation or some sort of problem in your country. For example, if you see a group of the people moving towards and they are discussing something, they are actually quarreling something. It was the most recent story. So you can make it that they are discussing some justice issues in Pakistan because the ranking of justice was very low in Pakistan. So you can make these stories on your own regarding your ambition of PAF, regarding some knowledge, regarding some war, but don't take it as a relation and don't take it as a negative story. Same cases with the pointing stories. Pointer stories, you will receive one or half line and you will complete it accordingly. Same cases with them. Now SRT. SRT is known as situation reaction test. It is also included in the psych dimensions. So in SRT test, accordingly you will deal the situation. The most important thing is your hope. Sometimes the situation will look like gloomy, but you are not supposed to be hopeless there. Shows your hope, shows your determination, and likewise you have written in your biodata form your strengths and weaknesses. Try to show there. If you have written in your biodata form, you can take the decision quickly. Sometimes you may panic. If it is included in your demerits, then you will have to show it accordingly here. Next comes the GTO dimensions. In GTO's dimension, you will have to attend the lecturate. The topics of the lecturate is according to your background, according to your academics knowledge. So first of all, the most important thing is statistics. You will must have to include the statistics in your own topic. Sometimes the topic got contradiction like the love marriage or arranged marriage. You will have to deal them accordingly. In my opinion, choosing one situation like a person speaks up in the favor of love marriage, one is speaking regarding arranged marriage, it will lead to the contradiction because the GTO and the people sitting there, they can make the counter questions that you have this point of view, this point of view is better. So you will have to remain balanced and calm under these situations. Okay, you cannot lay all the weight on a single situation. You will have to deal it accordingly. Statistics, knowledge, your eye contact, these are basically the hallmarks of your lecturate task. Next comes the PGT. As Sir Haroon has said that you do not have to show them that you are from academy. First of all, GTO will conduct your interviews. After conducting interview, he will do some personal questions, whether it is sexual question or you are from academy, from where you have prepared, etc. He will ask them. And he is also asked sometimes the news, current news. So using the newspaper in the mess of ISSB, you will tell them regarding the current news, which can give the shock. And news must not be pathetic type. You will have to tell such a news that GTO can think that I will have to research for it also. Regarding PGT progressive group tasks, you will have to perform accordingly with the cooperation. And if some team one member, if someone is quarreling with you, then keep it. You do not have to take too much initiative that you are taking the chance of some other person who were try, and you do not supposed to go at end. You will have to remain at middle. You will have to place the plank accordingly. The red area is totally inbound for you, while the semi red area and white area, these blend of colors are basically inbound for your material. You can stand it just by using your material. Blue area is also totally inbound for you, while red is totally out of bound for you. Ground is also out of bound for you. So show your courage, show your best. Similarly, likewise in command task, he will brief you that commander, gentlemen, this is your task. And simply while performing the task, you will have to call your group loudly, that group alpha, group beta, group delta, please come to us. They will come to you and you will brief them. And without making plan, don't take this initiative. Within 2 minutes you will just got the plan regarding how you will have to set the planks. And the most important thing that Sir Haroon has taught, that